Can you give me your pen? Can you give me your pen? What's your problem? What's your problem? I don't know anything. I don't know anything. He knows everything. He knows everything. I have to go now. I have to go now. He is very selfish. He is very selfish. Where are you going? Where are you going? She comes every day. She comes every day. Come here right now. Come here right now. He doesn't listen to me. He doesn't listen to me. It's very interesting. It's very interesting. I don't believe. I don't believe. Stand by me. Stand by me. He is a liar. He is a liar. Please tell me something. Please tell me something. I can't tolerate this. I can't tolerate this. It's raining heavily. It's raining heavily. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. Show something else. Show something else. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? I'm not interested in it. I'm not interested in it. Sorry, I can't understand. Sorry, I can't understand. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Can you help me? Can you help me? It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I think it's better. I think it's better. Where are you now? Where are you now? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Don't bother him. Don't bother him. What do you think? What do you think? It's very complicated. It's very complicated. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. I can't swim. I can't swim. They are very kind. They are very kind. It's really helpful. It's really helpful. What's the reason? What's the reason? He was busy. He was busy. You inspire me. You inspire me. Don't do it again. Don't do it again.